Hi there, crafters. So today I'm going to be responding to two clients. Now, our first client is a client who requested to have this. So know where she can get this. Can you see this? This is a brooch pin plus hair clip. So you can use whatever you attach it to. Either you use it to attach to your hair, okay, or you attach to your clothes with this pin here. So that's why it's okay, it's stuck here anyway. I have to. So just in case you have that same issue, let me try and do it so we can solve it together. So I'm going to bend this a bit up. Did you see what I did? I bent this up like this. So now it can safely come out. Did you see what I did? Just to push this out. So just in case you have that same issue, you just bend it, use the scissors and push it back to open up the space, and then that's it. Okay, so I've shown you one trick already. I didn't know that was there. Okay, so it's used to clip and then on the hair. So I'll be dropping the AliExpress link in the description and on the comments for you, AliExpress and Amazon. Okay, and any other link I can find on where you can purchase this. So it so happened that as I got that request, someone sent me these lovely brooches. Can you see them? They're very cute, aren't they? Which is your favorite? Do let me know in the comment section below. I didn't make this, so I won't take credit for it, but it's a client who said that please, all the brooch pins have fallen off. Can you see? They've all fallen off. This one broke, and this one was there, but I pulled it out. It's just a glue. Don't know where I even dropped it, but it was broken like this also. So I'm going to be showing you how to fix this, okay? Now, I told her I don't have brooch pins. This was just the only one that I have available, and it's a brooch pin plus clip, and they were attached to her ready-made clothes. So I told her it's safety pin that I have, and she was like, okay, I can proceed. So you can see you have an alternative also that you can use for brooch pins. And frankly speaking, if I was going to use that, I don't think this would have happened. I think it's firmer and stronger with safety pin, although it's finer. Of course, you can't compare this to, let me show you the safety pins that are available. We have this, you have this very tiny one, but of course that's when you're dealing with a tiny brooch pin. Then I have all this set. Can you see them? You can see these three are the same length, then it goes bigger. Then you also have these very large ones, but I don't need it. It would have been good to use for this, but no need. Let's follow these similar sizes. So I'm going to be using these three smaller ones in front. So let me pull them out. So just open it like this and bring out these three. Okay. So, oh yes, this is another type of brush pin. Let me show you another brush pin. These ones are just flat. It's not round. That's what I used for this. Okay, that's what I used to fix on this brooch pin I made for my husband. So I guess let me just attach it and use it for sure as we are walking. Since we're talking on brooches, it doesn't really rhyme with the cloth, but well, all right then. So now, if I was going to attach this to this, what I usually do, you see how this one was able to come out. Now for mine, it won't do that. Why? Because when I attach it, first of all, I would send my needle in this hole. Can you see this hole here? So I'll put my needle in there, bring it out through here. So I'm going to hold it. Do you understand? I glue it first, then I use my needle to do that. So no matter what, you can't pull this out again. But well, if you look at it, and now that I have to pull them out to fix the safety pin, is that really good? Well, you can use a razor and cut it out. So anyway, so that's it. So that, but these ones were just glued directly on it. Okay. And if you check at this one is quite thick. I tried passing my needle through it and it was very difficult. So for this one, we will just be gluing. But these ones are a bit lighter, so we're going to sew. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do in this part to close it up. These ones weren't closed, but we'll need this so that it will give it a good finishing. So let me show you what I'm going to do. You can see this tends to fall off easily. So I'm going to, yes, okay. And that's it, it's out. So I'll just show you one, finish with one, and then Okay, I would glue this so you see the gluing method. Then this, I'm going to use the sewing method for this one because I think it's soft to pass through. Oh, not really. Yeah, it's not soft to pass through this one. Okay, this one is soft to pass. So let's do the sewing method here and the gluing method here. So we take this off. Okay. So now, okay. So this is how I presume this should be on the dress. Okay. So what you do when you're fixing your pin is that you bring it high up here. When you put it up here, what happens is that it's able to stay stable on your cloth instead of flapping like this. Okay, it won't flap. So what I'm going to do, there's a little glue there. So I'll just scrape that out with my razor blade. Okay, then set this safety pin. I'm going to set it like this. Okay, and right this. Okay, so I'm checking to ensure I set it right. Okay. So let's take this in first to hold it securely. I'm going to pass it, open up the flowers to take it out. Because of the glue that was used on here, it's a bit tough. We'll work it out. Now pass it, same place again. Okay, and I can take this like this. It's quite tough. So there's the sewing method. Had a little hit there. So I've sewn it, as you can see. So the next thing I'm going to do is get this interfacing. Now it's a bit thick, okay? The thick one, not the very light one. So I'm going to take this. What you need to do is get a circular object that can you see? It will cover it here. So you can get something a bit smaller or this. This is okay. So I'm going to trace my circle with a biro. Just trace it like so. Okay. Then I'll cut it round. Trying to cut it above just a little bit above the biro mark, so the biro mark doesn't show. So why you get a circular object is to ensure you get a circle so it looks neat. If you're unable to do that, no problem. You can just try with your hand and do a little sketch. Okay, so that's a pencil, very simple. So I'm going to take my glue, making use of E7000, and I'm going to squeeze it. Oh, I made it come out. It was glued stuck before. There's a method I used to make it to start coming out, and that video should be out after this video. I don't know when exactly, but you can subscribe to the channel so you are able to watch that video. Okay, so I just take it like this, and then glue. So you can see it looks neat. So you can have it stuck like this. Okay, so you can see it's not flapping. It sticks properly like this, not flapping. So that's why you put it up, not in the middle. You put it in the middle, it will flap out. Okay, so that's that. Then this one, as I said, it's not looking like we can. I've already done this one. See, it's ready. Okay, this one, let's see, can this, not exactly, can't really pass. So what we're going to do, we'll just sew two major places and then we'll glue it first and sew two major areas. This doesn't want to. Not. Come on. I don't have all the. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'll first of all put this on the edge. On the edges. Okay. So give it proper glue. Remember, it's going to be like this. So you put it where? At the top part, remember. Okay. So this sticking it, then you can see how this would pass through a bit like this. Okay. Set. Okay. Then I'll take it a long distance to this last place here too. So that should do. Then I'll continue the same process. I'll knot it, then I'll cover it up to be like this. Finally done. This is it. You can see them. And if I'm to put them on, they would stay well the way it is because of. Okay, so as I was just moving, I just me and where I keep things. Where is that brush pin? Okay. So let's talk about brooch pins. Now, this is a brooch pin and this is a brooch pin with the hair clip. Okay? But this one, if you were to attach, it's just like what I used here. Okay? I would always, if I glue, I would still sew in through these holes to ensure that it stays put. Okay? Now this is the exact thing that is still here. You can see, but it has this to add a hair clip to it, so you can use whatever you've put as also to put on your hair or to attach on your clothes. So this is it. Then if you look up, you would see other types of brooch pins that you can find available, and you can check in the description of this video to see where you can order them from. But these are the ones that I have available. An alternative to use is your safety pins, either this or this sizes or this, but this is not so strong. This gold, don't know whether there are some golds that are strong, but we have various sizes of this and this. I feel these ones are stronger. They're actually even kind of stronger than this. So if you have a different opinion, please do let me know in the comment section below.